Step by step, add friends to your squad and invite them. 1. Join or create a squad. Once you're in a game lobby or on the battlefield, navigate to the squad menu. Either create a new squad or join an existing one. 2. Invite your friends. In the squad menu, there will typically be an option to invite friends. Select this, and your platform's friend list, e.g. Steam, Xbox, or PlayStation, should appear. 3. Send the invite. Click on your friend's name to send them an invite. Your friend will receive a notification to join your squad. 4. Wait for them to join. Once they accept, they will be added to your squad and can start playing with you. Why this method works. Hell Let Loose is designed to emphasize squad-based gameplay, so the squad system acts as a primary way to team up with friends. This bypasses issues with a standalone add friend feature. If this resolves the issue, you can share it with others by saying, you can add friends directly by creating a squad in-game and inviting them there. It works without needing the add friend feature to show up.